What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get nerds. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get nerds.
Hey, frozen pizza time again with Paulie. Frozen pizza review. Today we're trying something new. I've just about run out of frozen pizzas to try. Trying to avoid the healthy choice frozen pizzas. Cut. And I think I made a little bit of a mistake. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's the frozen pizza. Kind of small, doesn't look bad, right? And here's the frozen pizza. Crust, thin crust, pepperoni pizza. Okay, everything's fine. Until I read this part. On a flourless crust. Oh man. As you see, it's 400 degrees and we're gonna cook it for 22 minutes. All right on cue. Little lady's up on the phone, yelling at them in the Philippines. She's unrelentless, but I've been a little stressed. Taxes. We sold our house in Washington State. I was happy with that. Bought our house here in Michigan. Happy with that. But come taxes, tax time, I'm sweating it. But I spent the whole day on turbotax.com doing my taxes. It's the third year in a row. Pretty good, pretty easy. You can get help if you need it. But we're okay. We don't have to go to the poor farm. I do have to pay. Oh well. I'll bring you guys back when the pizza's done. All right, folks, she done. I'll tell you, it doesn't look that good. It doesn't look real good at all. I've been trying to figure out what the crust is made out of. It's got a whole bunch of ingredients that are hard to pronounce. It can't really be good for you. It doesn't have a great smell. It's actually making me mad. I can't figure out what the crust is made out of. Let's take a look at that crust. Looks like pizza crust. Let's try a pepperoni. I really hate to do it, but I really need to tell the makers of this frozen pizza, I don't care what kind of spin they put on it, your pizza's terrible. Hold on, I gotta wash this thing down. Cream soda. So good. Good. Can't taste it no more. Let me say this before I get to the score. The crust was like chalky. Yeah, chalky. That's how I would describe it. And when you bite into it, the crust is white. Doesn't look right. So in the Polly Dunward's 0 to 5 pepperoni scale rating, we'll just say 0. That's all I can tell you. It's not good. It's terrible. Crust. That used to be the name of the phone company in Seattle. Well, folks, I gotta be honest. There's not many frozen pizzas left for me to try and do a review on. So this may be one, if not the last. I'm not gonna buy any more healthy choice spiel pizzas because pizza's not a health food. It's like having a healthy choice banana split. No such thing. I don't care what kind of spin is put on it. Check me out on Facebook. Got a page on there. I'm on Odysee.com. I'm on Rumble. And of course, I'm here on YouTube. I'll see y'all later. Thank you.